Welcome everybody. This is the review for the ATOTO AC-SC3601. Sorry about that. Let's get that a little bit better in there. And this is the panoramic camera system for my stereo here. And guys, I'll be honest with you, this thing is pretty cool. Took some time to install. I won't lie, but I'm not a professional. I'm just a simple do-it-yourselfer. So after hours and staying up all night long and getting all of this installed, it is all done. And I want to show you guys what we're looking at. Now, I haven't had a chance to give this the full run, but I've got everything calibrated, and I'm gonna let you guys see what I see as I see it. Okay, gotta pull forward some. I'm in a parking lot, guys. I apologize. Let me pull forward here just a wee bit, just so you guys can get an idea of what I'm doing here. All right, and we're gonna put this thing in reverse, and bam, there's the camera. And as you start backing up, you'll see that the block is going away and it's showing me a dynamic view of what's around me on the side here, because the camera is literally taking a lot of pictures as I do this. So let's see. Let's back into a parking spot, shall we? Here, I'll tell you what, we'll just use the one that I was using before. So let me bring this truck up. I apologize. So we'll bring this on up. And all right, here we go. And that's going to show up every time, just so you guys are aware. It's always going to be like that until you go to reverse, because that's how the camera takes its images. So as we back on up here, and there's the back bump. Now, of course, I don't really need the camera when it comes to this part, because this is an open parking lot. And as you can see from my camera image, it's definitely opened up. So, you know, unfortunately, that's how that is. And, I can't really do too much about it, but hey, either way, it's all cool. As long as it works, then it works, right? Yeah. So there you go. There's my surroundings, and, there's the vehicle that was next to me there, and there's the vehicle that's next to me there. And if you get a semi good enough image, you can see I'm pretty close to the one on the right of me. But again, he's kind of on the line, and I'm dead center of the parking space. So, honestly, this is awesome. I won't lie. This is absolutely awesome. I absolutely love the fact that I am able to do this. Having this surrounding will be perfect for me, given the fact that I'm a contractor. So obviously I'm always parking in tight spots and all these little weird places. You don't know what's there and what's not. So this definitely for me is a home run hitter. I really do like this. I think it's well worth the money. It's well worth the effort if if you're tech savvy enough and you can, maneuver in some tight spaces with your vehicle. I'd recommend one of these, especially if you live in the city. Oh my goodness, I can't tell you how bad people are when it comes to Cincinnati, Ohio. But all in all, this thing is absolutely fantastic. I really do like it, and I hope you guys get this and try it out for yourselves.